So here's what happens when you make a mistake in a big rig while turning in a tight area. Stay tuned as we talk about my mistake.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin, hauling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for a collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right. Moments pass, make this one count. Untie. You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Held underwater, fine for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Around,
Much later.
What is up, everybody? We're back here in Utah, and as you guys saw at the beginning of the video, I screwed up. Made a mistake. I knew I should have not gone into the parking lot, but typically when we try to do that, we try to go into those parking lots, try to find a spot to park in. It was late. I think it was about 9:30ish or so, and typically by that point you ain't getting a spot in those, and I knew that. I thought I could get in there and find a spot, but I didn't, so I screwed up. And let me show you guys what happened. So as you guys can see, I crunched the back corner of my RV pretty good. It was sticking out a little bit more, but it's done damage all through here, Broke my lens cover off, broke some fiberglass down there, broke the tail light, and damaged some of the cap up on the top there. But what's even worse is the trailer is creased off from where it basically tore it all up and started scratching the crap out of here and just pushing it in. So that is my mistake. Got to learn from it. I turned too tight in too small of an area, and that's the results of it. Now typically you could get a smaller trailer and not have to deal with that, but I wanted the V-nose because that's where we're putting a lot of our stuff, as far as like hoses and power and inverter and the batteries and all that other stuff, to self-contain it away from that. Now what's even crappier, because I've been driving this one all by myself, nobody's been on this trip with me, and I screwed up again. I was rushing because I had it parked and I wasn't paying attention, and check it out. We crunched up the back corner of the trailer where I backed it in to a dock area and hit the building a little bit and damaged some of the back door. So I ordered a rear backup camera that we're gonna hook up, and it's gonna be a wireless one that we're gonna run on. And the wireless controller is supposed to go like, I think 300 feet. See? But it's gonna get hooked up to the front, and we're gonna tie that into our Voyager system. So not only can I see back here, because I got this camera here, which that's how I knew I hit this. And as soon as I hit this, I was like, oh, I was committed at that time, and it was like, okay, so just try to inch my way out. And that's why in the video you see me kind of sitting there, because I'm trying to work it back and forth very slowly without doing any more damage than what it already had. And yeah, so filed an insurance claim. Insurance adjuster will be out this next week to take a look at the damage and see what we can do to get it fixed. But yeah, that's how this trip's going so far. So other than that, it's been going pretty good. The trailer, I think I'm gonna fix that. New piece of sheathing, knock some stuff out as far as the dent in the top, panel on the bottom, fix a little bit of that, call it a day. Same with the back. I'm gonna probably do the same thing, because I don't know if they'll actually cover that. I think they should, because it's technically covered and attached to this. So, but we'll see what's going on with that and go from there. So yeah, we're gonna be out here for a little bit. We head to Sturgis in 2 weeks, and we're gonna have some footage there. I actually did a nice ride, and we went up to Logan's Canyon and did some stuff this last weekend. So that was a nice little ride. It was about 5.5 hours that we rode, and about 300 miles, and the scenery was gorgeous. But I'm not dropping that yet. If you guys want to see that, make sure you guys subscribe, follow back on us, and we'll have that video out to you here soon. We are changing the dates from what I've been seeing, because we use vidIQ and some other tools to show what is the best time to post, and we see that there's actually a change on some of that stuff, where it looks like our audience is changing on when they want to be seeing some of this content. So we're going to go down that path and make a few changes to it and go from there. So